Most people give up before they even begin. They stare at the mountain in front of them and forget that every journey starts with a single, tiny step. James was one of those people until one small piece of advice changed everything. He lay awake at night, staring at the ceiling, bills stacked on his desk, the weight of "what if I fail" pressing down on him. The next morning, James went to his favorite cafe, the smell of coffee and baked bread calming him slightly. Across the table sat Maria, his friend who always listened without judgment. "I don't even know where to start," he admitted, swirling his coffee. Maria smiled gently. "Start small," she said. "Pick one thing you can do today. Then tomorrow, do another. The steps will add up, James. They always do." That afternoon, James returned home to his cluttered desk. He opened a fresh notebook and wrote at the top, "First step, research the market." It felt small, almost insignificant, but it was a beginning. He spent hours reading articles, taking notes, and exploring ideas. Each page filled felt like a small victory. The next day, he wrote another step, draft a simple plan. Each bullet point was small and manageable. By the third day, he sent an email to someone experienced in the field, almost deleting it a dozen times before pressing send. That evening, a warm reply came back. One small step had led to another, and slowly momentum began to build. Weeks passed. Each day brought small actions, a phone call, a note, a draft, a tiny experiment. Alone they seemed insignificant, but together they formed progress. The fear that had once paralyzed him began to fade. James noticed it most when he stopped worrying about the end result and focused on the journey itself. One quiet evening, James sat at his desk, notebook open, looking over all he had accomplished: research, emails, drafts, small experiments. For the first time, the dream that once seemed impossible felt real. Maria noticed a change too. At the cafe, she smiled. "I told you, James, it's the small steps that matter, not giant leaps." He nodded, feeling a quiet confidence he had never known before. James realized success isn't born from grand gestures. It grows quietly day by day through persistence and belief in oneself. He wrote the next steps in his notebook, smiling. The road ahead was still long, but he didn't need to conquer it all at once. One small step every day was enough.